We have a Kitamura horizontal machining center model HX1000i, new in 2010, serial number 48009. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a Fanuc 16i MB control. You have 4-axis capability with contouring pallets. You have 2 pallets, which are 39.37 by 39.37, or 1,000 millimeter square. 150 tool ATC automatic tool changer. You have a 50 taper spindle with 8,000 RPM, 4-step gear driven. That's 100 and low RPM. Going up 500. You have a large travel, 80.31 in the X, 50.197 in the Y, and 53.94 in the Z. 750. Again, that is a 50 taper spindle, BT50, 40 horsepower. 1500. We changed ranges. 3,000. 4,500 RPM. We're going to jog. That's the X. You have telescopic way covers all axes. Your Y. Z. All wheels are box, hardened ground. And your B. Your B again is full forth.
All right, do the tool change.
Going through the tool change of 150. Arm coming back out.